We are now back to 3020 Rucker, which is where this IRS agent went hands-on with me last time. So I decided to bring with me
Northwest Audit.
And we'll try to double team him and see what happens. Let's walk up and look. Different guy. Don't contact. Now let's go to the window. Come on, all right, to the window.
You went right to the door.
Mm-hmm. Did he lock the door?
No, he didn't.
Yes, he did. They were closed during business hours. And you see this? Look at this GSA rules on federal property. Look at, I believe it's down here somewhere on camera and photography. Do you see it?
Mm-hmm.
But he locked the door. Look at that, see? He locked it.
Not good.
It says no food or drink, no cell phone, no conversation.
You guys can't film into the office. You're welcome to film the outside of the office, but you're not allowed to film the inside of the office.
Says who?
It says the federal government. It's a
No.
tenant-controlled space.
Oh, so it's not part of the DSA memo of 2018?
What are you saying?
The DHS?
I'm saying that
The DHS
photography is prohibited within a tenant-controlled space of a federal facility.
Oh,
There's sensitive information that is being provided.
not out here.
No, that's
Okay.
why you're allowed to.
No,
film outside.
not in your.
You
not
cannot
in there?
film inside.
Sure, we can.
No, you cannot.
Okay, do you have a what? Let me ask you a question.
Let me show you the paperwork.
No.
No.
No,
Step
I'm
out with the camera. You're not bringing that.
okay. Let me ask you a question. Do you have it posted up here?
Yes.
No.
It's
Okay, show
posted
me
right
the.
there.
Show
the
me
CFR is right there as
the
well.
CFR.
Yes,
It is
it is.
right underneath it.
Do not bring that in here, but it says right here, Title 41, CFR 102-74-420.
Oh, that's changed since I was here last.
Nope, it was the same sign that you came here last time with.
Hmm.
So, okay, you cannot film the interior.
I'm not inside your office.
You're literally inside the
I
office.
am
Go
not.
ahead and take a step back.
Okay, I'm outside the office.
Okay. You cannot film the interior though, and that is what you're doing right now.
Mm-hmm. Show me what you're showing me.
Okay, so as you can see right here, photography in public spaces is allowed, okay? It's protected under the First Amendment, right? But it is not within a tenant-controlled space. So an individual in tenant-controlled space must have the permission of the tenant agency, which you do not. In those situations, FPS, which is the Federal Police Service, will take law enforcement action when individuals photograph or videotape without agency permission.
Mm.
Okay?
But I'm not in your office.
You are filming the interior, though.
Hmm.
You're welcome to.
Let me see it.
Do not.
I just
grab
wanna
my
read it.
Stuff.
Was it you here last time that grabbed my stuff? Was that you?
I didn't grab any
Was
of your
that
stuff.
were you here last time I was here?
No.
Oh, because the last person that was you, as being you who you
I
are.
don't recognize you at all.
Okay,
Sir.
I didn't either. But what I'm saying is the last person that was you being you,
The security officer.
he grabbed my stuff. And
Okay.
I just want to look at it, is all.
Okay. You can read that.
Okay. Okay, well, this doesn't have a What is tenant-controlled space? Tenant-controlled space is facility not normally accessible by the public. Is this accessible by the public?
Yes.
Okay, I'm reading. Just let me read it.
Okay.
Just let me read it.
You cannot grab my.
I just want to read it.
Okay,
Read this read the last paragraph down at the bottom.
Right. But
What-
this is a tenant-controlled space.
No, but
Because
no,
this isn't. Because to come into
I'm not in.
the
I'm
federal
out- I'm out.
facility,
I am
you are
standing
subject to
outside.
administrative inspection for
Okay,
officers close
great.
to them. You would have
I
to
am
screen
standing
through.
outside your door.
Right, but
Right.
you are filming the interior.
Okay, so
Okay, so you can't do that. You cannot film the interior. You're welcome to film the outside, but the interior, where the sensitive
if I can
information
see
is
it
being
from
given.
the public, I can record it from the
Okay,
public.
would you rather me just call a FPO down
Sure,
here
I
to
don't
talk
care.
to you?
Sure.
Okay, I'll
I'm,
do that.
I'm recording from public,
Okay, yeah, you are in the public,
Yeah.
but you are filming the interior.
but I'm recording.
Are you able to hear what's going on back here?
I don't know.
I think you are.
I'm not listening for anything. I don't hear anything at all.
It doesn't matter. You're filming it, and there's
Okay.
sensitive information being
I
given.
am
There are
standing
social
in
security
the
numbers being
public.
given.
I'm not recording any social security numbers.
But
And if I
you're
w-
recording
and,
the inside. Is there
and it-
sound on your camera?
and if I was, I would delete them.
Okay. Well, I don't know
Can
that
you
for
read
sure.
the last paragraph there?
Okay, so
The-
tenant
no,
controls.
down at the bottom, right there.
What?
Right there. Read it.
That is not normally accessible by the public, or public is invited in only for a specific government function.
Okay. And what does it say though?
What do you mean? I just read it to you.
No, the
Okay, read this. One way to think about tenant-controlled space is that area where access is controlled or restricted,
Okay.
like it is here. For example, is requiring a key card, key, or code to enter. It must be more than simply going through security screening. Okay?
I can. So show me where it says that. I can't.
Okay.
From the public. I'm standing in the public. You can't trespass my eyes.
Okay. So I'm gonna call an FPO.
Okay, great.
And he's
We'll-
gonna come
we'll-
down
we'll
and
just
talk to you.
Fine.
Okay. Because I'm not gonna answer anymore.
Okay, great. But do tell them I'm recording from public.
You are, but you're recording the interior.
Right. From the public.
You cannot do because it is a tenant-controlled space.
Okay. I can record anything I can see.
You can record the exterior.
Okay, I'm recording the exterior.
Okay.
You've
Do you
you've
have
read this one out here
information?
too.
Do you have a driver's license I
Nope.
can get from you?
No? Why? You don't need my
You have a
driver's
name?
license. Nope.
Anything I can run? Okay.
Choose not to talk to you.
Okay. Non-emergency. This is George 713 at the Everett IRS. I have two individuals here that are trying to videotape the interior of the attack. I'm just requesting that. Everett IRS, 20 Rucker Avenue. Well, they're inside the building, but they're not inside the office. Yeah, they're videotaping inside.
He on waiting
Outside.
his space.
We're not on.
I have. They want me, I explained the CFR and I explained to them that it is a tenant control space, can you step outside for me for a sec? And they want to talk to FBO about why they can't form. Okay. Alright, how can I help you?
I had a 2:45 appointment.
Okay, so you're late. So, yeah.
Once I was at work.
So, the way the system works is once it gets past 15 minutes past your appointment time, it automatically clears. There's nothing they can do here for you now. You'll just have to reschedule.
Okay, so how do I reschedule?
The phone number that you called with to schedule the appointment, just call that number again. I can help you.
I don't have an appointment. I need to get
You don't have an appointment?
no
Okay, what do you need today?
paper for the W2.
Do you need, oh, you need transcripts?
Yeah.
Okay, so you just need to call this phone number right here.
Why are you recording?
I am. Yeah. They're standing in the public area, I guess, and then just filming inside of the back. Yeah, it's the CFR 102-74. And it's a tenant control space. Yeah. Yeah, I've talked to them a little bit and tried to explain to them what a tenant control space is and what the CFR explains. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Nothing for you. Yeah. All right. Have a good one. You too.
Hi, I see you up in the corner there. I see another one right there. And another one down there. Want to see them looking at us?
So if they're just standing at the door inside, that's fine. Sounds good. Thank you. Bye.
What did I hear?
You guys are welcome to film the exterior like I told you.
I am standing exterior.
Okay, but you can't stand right there because you're blocking the entrance.
I'm not blocking the entrance.
Yeah,
So,
you're welcome to film there.
What do you have anything to say to me? Like I'm sorry?
Why would I apologize?
Because you tried to force me to say I couldn't.
I never forced you anything.
Yeah, you
I
grabbed my
was
arm.
Very respectful.
Yeah.
I grabbed your arm because you grabbed
Did
my
you
arm.
know? Did you know if you read right here, that it's actually, I think this is the one you quoted to me, which is
102-74.
74 420.
Mm-hmm. Does it also
Did you read
explain-
C?
I did.
C? You read C.
I have.
Okay, because it says building entrances, lobbies,
Right.
for news purposes.
Are you part of the news?
Yep.
Okay.
We're recorded for a public
Did you
interest
get-
story.
Did you get permission?
Nope.
Okay. So
I don't have it.
Any
It
news
says for
function-
news, anybody can be news, but it says right there that I can because it says for news purposes
Okay.
on letter
So
C,
what I'm telling you is you're allowed to film the exterior of the building.
which I am from the exterior of the building.
You're welcome to film as long as you are not blocking any of the entrances. 'Cause that's
Okay,
a fire
I'm not
hazard.
blocking the entrance.
But you are not allowed to come in
Okay.
and film.
Okay. By the way, the last time I was here, that sign was not up here.
That sign's been there since I've been here. So that
Well-
sign's been up for 3 years
Oh.
at least. And there's 2 of them.
Okay.
So,
Well, did you learn a lesson though?
what lesson would I have learned, sir?
That we can actually be here?
I never said you couldn't be here.
Well, you told me I couldn't film
I-
inside here.
Exactly.
Right. But I can
You
from,
cannot come inside and
I didn't say it, but I could record from the public inside.
Yeah, but not from where you were standing.
Okay. Well, you're standing more in the middle than I am right now,
Okay.
aren't you?
Sure.
Okay.
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 Any more questions for me?
Nope. I just wanted you to be aware of that, and you might let your colleagues know as well that I can record from the public on this side of the door.
Right, but from what my understanding was from the last time that you were here, is that you actually came inside and were filming, and then were asked repeatedly to leave
Was that me?
because it was posted. I don't know, sir.
Oh,
There's
okay.
only been one other incident here in the last few months.
Okay. Well, was that me?
So I can't. I don't know.
Okay.
You're the one was saying or whatever. So I'm sorry. I am assuming that it was you.
Okay, you're
which is-
assuming.
which is not right of me.
Okay.
I'm just saying the last individual that was here that decided to film actually came inside,
Okay.
and he was asked to leave repeatedly, and he did not.
Okay.
And that's probably why the guard got so apprehensive. Okay.
But maybe you might want to let him know that I can record from this side.
Yes, from this side, as long as
He-
you're not
he-
blocking
he-
the fire
okay.
or the entrance for fire hazards.
Well, am I blocking anything?
Right there, you're fine.
By the way, if you want to create privacy, close the door and, shut the drapes.
We don't have drapes.
Okay. Well, you
I help
did it
you?
on this side.
This is IRS. Do you have an appointment today?
No,
What are you here for?
I have one question about that.
Did you get a letter in the mail?
Yes.
Okay. So
Well, thank you for finding out the truth before you got.
okay. What
I-
did that say though?
All right, I'm not staying inside.
You're blocking the doorway.
Oh, big deal. I was.
Okay.
I
So
know.
there's fine.
Okay,
As long as
great.
there's no
Okay.
blockage.
Okay. There's no blockage. The door could be open, obviously, a lot farther. You have it only half open.
For a reason.
Why?
For security reasons. I'm not going to tell you why.
Okay, whatever.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yep.
Please tell your colleagues that we can stand out here because they didn't know that either.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Well, I came back to see the IRS again at 3020 Rucker, and this time it was a win. They actually conceded that I could record from outside their door and look in and record. The guard got what he was looking for, so it's a win for me.